welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I gave myself a bit of a challenge for today's video. I went ahead and tried to create Scott Barnes JLO look on Tati. If you haven't seen the video, you really need to watch it. I'll link it in the description box below so you can go and watch it. Oh my god, I cannot believe how good he is. Like, when he was doing her makeup, I was looking at the techniques and the steps he was doing. I probably would never think in my dreams even doing my makeup like that. So I went ahead and tried to copy as much as possible looking at his video in today's look. I hope I did it justice. I know I'm not as good as him, or it's gonna take me years and years to be as perfect as him, and he's just out of this world. You need to really watch this video. And I hope I did the justice. And if you want to see how I create this look, just carry on watching this video. And before you leave, if you like the video, don't forget to give me the thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, so next time when I'll post a video, you'll have a notification. And I shall see you guys next time. Love you all. Take care. Bye. Bye. Hey my lovelies, so here we go, today's look. So we're going to start with a bit of hydration to my face, and I'm using Physician Formula's spray primer and bright booster oil, and we are going to recreate JLO Scott Barnes look. So we are starting with the concealer, and for today I'm using Jouer Cosmetics full coverage long wear concealer in shade Macadamia. So in his video he actually didn't use any primer, but I went ahead and I just sprayed my face with the Physician Formula's Argan primer. But if you want to copy the whole look, you can totally skip this primer. And I just tried to apply the concealer exactly the way he did on Tati. And I'm just going to blend my concealer with a flat Morphe blending brush. I'm just pretty much following exactly more or less what he did. I don't have the similar brushes what he used, so I just try to find the dupes or something close to what he was using. So this is the brush I could find what close to what he was using. And we're gonna blend out everything first, and now I'm going to do my contour, and for this I'm using my Tartiest contour palette from Tarte Cosmetics, and I'm picking up the cream shade, and I'm going to use my Elite Oval Artiste brush, and I'm going to carve my jaw first. As you can see, I'm really defining my jaw for this look, because if you see his video, he literally chiseled Tati's face. Like, she's already have very good face anyway, very slim and very defined jawline, but he even defined it more. And I'm just using the contour shade everywhere else I want to be contoured. And I'm using more precise brush. This is actually a lipstick brush from Morphe, but I contoured my nose with it. And I just picked up the most it's a contour blending brush from Morphe. It's their gunmetal collection, and I'm going to blend all the contour first, and I'm just trying to follow exactly whatever technique he did. And we are going to begin with the foundation now, and for this look I've used my Makeupforever foundation. It's the Ultra HD, and I'm using one of the Morphe foundation brushes to blend my foundation. Funny enough, I actually didn't use my beauty blender to blend my foundation at all. I just pretty much used this brush and went over at the end, just went over with my beauty blender just to give that, like, make sure there's no harsh lines or anything, and everything is looking nice and smooth. At the same time, I actually took the foundation on my eyelids too, just to give the first base. For the cream blush, I'm using my Natasha Denona Citrus palette, and I'm picking up the cream shade from the palette, and it's really nice peachy shade. It will look really dark actually in the palette, but it's actually not. It's pretty subtle color. And I'm going to apply this with one of the Morphe blushes, and now I'm going to set my concealer, and I'm using my MAC Studio Fix powder to set my concealer. And to set rest of my face, I'm going to use my RCMA No Color Translucent powder. And I'm just using, most of the brushes I'm used for this look is from Morphe. Apart from this one is from Sigma, and I've just picked up the powder shade from the same contour and highlight palette to set my contour, and the same powder shade from Natasha Denona palette to set my blush as well. You don't have to set your blush. He didn't actually apply any blush shade, but he did went with some highlights at the end, which had a kind of like a pinky shade as well for blush. For highlight, I'm using my Anastasia Glow palette because this is the closest I can find with matching what he was using, and I just mixed all the shades on my brush and just applied it on all the high points where I want to be highlighted or more bronzy and glowy look. So for my brows, I've used my Brow. I am doing very soon a very quick go-to brow routine with using this product. You'll be surprised how good this product is. Just wait for that video. For the eyes, I'm using Dose of Colors Sassey Brown eyeshadow palette, and I'm picking up the darkest brown shade from the palette and just going to start like pretty much packing this on in my crease. First, I'm just packing the shade, then I'm just taking a clean blending brush and making sure to smooth out the edges. For the remaining of the lid, I've used Fenty Beauty Mettalic powder in shade Foxy, and I've just applied that on my lid, and I've just applied the same one on my lower lash line. For the waterline, I'm using L'Oreal's eye pencil in shade Brown, and I'm picking up the same metallic powder from Fenty, and I'm just applying that on my lower lash line. For lip liner, I've used Maybelline's Nude lip liner. It's kind of like a cheat. And for the lipstick, I'm using Jouer Cosmetics Lip Topper in shade Tan Lines. To set everything in place, I've used my Urban Decay All Nighter makeup setting spray. Hope you like this look. If you have any questions, let me know, and I shall see you guys next time. Take care, enjoy your life, love you all.